Here we are, job number 1. You can see the door is crooked. This side probably has a cable twisted up. Gonna knock at the front door.
Done with job number 1, heading to job number 2. Just got to job number 2. Well done. Here at job number 3, I'm going to put 2 new ones on and we'll be good to go. 2 new springs installed instead of the one big one that you had before. And this one actually was only a 243. Normally this would be a 250. So that's why it was way underpowered. Yeah, it feels nice and balanced. I lubricated the rollers and hinges. It's all balanced and good to go.